Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel, Brooklyn L Saves. Happy Saturday. How's everybody doing? I hope that you are having a good day, morning, evening, afternoon, night, overnight, whenever it is that you're watching my video. Thank you so much for tapping in. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell a friend to come watch Lourdes save her coins. Today we do a little bit of everything. We're gonna do some Nori savings. We're gonna do some 2026 savings. And we are going to finish the first round of the year of Shut the Fridge. So we're just gonna get right into it. Let me see. We got cash tray. We have our dice tower. And I just noticed that I don't have any dice with me. So how are we supposed to play the game if I didn't bring my dice? I will be right back, you guys. Alrighty, we are back with the dice tray. Okay, so Norella's budgets, vacation savings, and this is her beautiful book that's available for digital download over on her website. I am going to try to recreate this book for my little sister. Gonna watch some videos on how to make these envelopes. And before I give it to my little sister, I will show you guys the final what's the word I'm looking for? The final product. So, hold on. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. Oh, we got $80. I thought we had 70. Okay. Well, let's see how we do this, because I think I know what I want to do, but I'm not sure yet. What's new? Ay, Dios mío. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Ay, ay, ay. Just when you think you're ready, right? Okay, let's put that over here. Let's get the marker. Okay, then let's put this over here. All right, and I don't even need the marker right this moment, but I wanted to have it next to me. So we're gonna put $10. And as you guys already know, each circle is worth $25. So, excuse me, I only have 10. So we cannot fill in the circle just yet. So we're gonna put it in this one in the front. And you guys, you see, I don't be lying. The minute I turn on the camera, people want to be loud out the window. And I'm not even in my usual spot. So if I was in my usual spot, we wouldn't hear them. But anyway, that was a quick walkthrough. So we have 10. So next week, if we have 15, great. If not, we'll just keep building until we have $25 for the next circle. Okay, there's $25 there right now. And we'll keep going and going until we finish it all. Okay? Yay! Thank you, Nori. And then we're gonna move on to some more Norella's budgets. So this is her 2026 savings book. And I want to do all her books because I have a few of them. I got the other one, Saving for My Dreams, I think it is. But I ain't got the monies for it. So That may come a little later on in the year, or we may even have to work on it next year. Again, I just fear of missing out. I have to have most of her creations, not all of them, but most of them, because I'm not even gonna say all of them. I do want all of them, but you know, you gotta be realistic. So this book is gonna save us $2,026, and she has a balance sheet. And then this will save 300, 360, 52, 210, 52, 72, 53, $40, 280. This is the one we're working on. That's gonna save us 32. And then the biggie of the biggies, $500, and then 75, and then another budget sheet. So she kind of just breaks it up so that it's fun, and you're doing a whole bunch of different challenges. So you don't get bored with saving. So we're gonna put $10 in here. Oh, come on, don't get out of the lines. So that's 2. Trying to do this video early, so like that I could go about my day and don't have to worry about it. Because you guys, I be thinking about oh my goodness, I'm gonna let my peoples down, my family down, if I don't do my video early enough. And I know sometimes the Saturday videos, my Saturday videos, don't do too well, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Because I feel like my videos do better during the week when I post them, but it's okay. I'm still saving. I'm still holding myself accountable, and the views and all of that will come when they come. I definitely started my channel to hold myself accountable because there's so many saving goals that I want to accomplish in 2026. So after watching so many videos, I was like, oh no girl, turn on this camera and hold yourself accountable, and let's do the damn thing. And my purple marker is almost finishing. I need to get another one, but we're gonna try to go as far as we can go today with this one, and then I'll just have to bring out my other markers. It's not a Sharpie, but it's okay. Hopefully they do well on this lamination. All right, so we'll let that dry, and we have what, that's 28, right? Because then that'll be 30 and 32. So we should have $28 in our envelope back here. And mind you, I have 2 monies in here. I have money for the book, and then I have money for the scratcher. I mean, for the quarterly savings. 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, $28. And you guys, I did find some star notes. I wasn't collecting them, but when I started to see them in my monies, I was like, ooh, okay. All right, so let that dry. Let's pull this one out, and I think I was gonna just save the number 2 in this one today, and if we have anything else, we'll come back. So $2 going there. So that should be 8, 10, 17 out of the 50. 15, 16, 17. So that is accurate. And we'll just let this dry a little bit. Okay, not bad. And this is her quarterly challenge for January, February, March. So we still have some time to do this. Hopefully we'll finish before March so that we can start the next one. All right, that should be dry. Okay, so trust your journey, okay? This is the reason why I started with this challenge, besides the fact that it's one of the ones that are the least. So, I know a lot of people usually like to start the bigger ones so that they can get that big chunk out of the way, but I'm kind of starting the opposite way. I want to do some of the smaller ones so that I could feel a little more accomplished, and then when the budget is bigger or there's more money left over, I will like put a 10 here randomly and stuff like that. So yay, hopefully next week we should be finished with this one. Or if there's any monies left over, shut the box, don't take it, shut the fridge, don't take it all, I'll come back, and if we got $4 left, we'll finish this one up. Okay, actually let me leave it open just so that it could dry, because you could see on this side that it's a little bit of the purple. So separate from this monies, I have my 10 bills. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I've mentioned in the last couple of videos that I'm going to try to have a spicy 5, 10, 20, 50, or 100, depending on how the budget is. It will always be 10 bills because Nori saves $5 on Tuesday, $5 on Thursday. But again, you do what works for you and your budget. So 10 bills, but we're gonna mix in the spicy 5, and wherever that lands, that's the savings challenge for the dreams to come true. That will get it. Oh, look, it landed right in the front. Okay, so that's the challenge that will get it. I have my eyes closed, no cheating, and that's it. So that is gonna go into challenge number 3, because we are doing January 27th and January 29th, or the 5 rolls that she did. So here is my pink binder with my Norella's Budgets, Dreams to Come True, and my stickers, Community Savings Challenge, and who believes in you? I do. Super cute, the little owl. And we have savings number 1 is Costco for 2027. Then saving some for vacation, number 2, and sneakers, number 3. Blessing, number 4. Nails, number 5. And casino, number 6. Okay, so today is the day, since it is the last Saturday of the month. I am going to actually, once we finish, write in the balance for the month. So here we have number 3. So number 3 gets 1 bill. Number 2 gets 1 bill. Number 6 gets 1 bill. Number 3 gets 1 bill. And number 6 gets 1 bill. All right, so that's Tuesday's rolls. And now Thursday's roll is 4 gets 1. 5 gets 1. 1 gets 1. 1 gets another 1. And then 6 gets 1. Alright, so it looks like 6 was on fire this week. But everybody got 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The last week, 1 didn't get nothing. That following week, 6 didn't get nothing. 3 didn't get nothing. Excuse me. Super cute. I love it. So now we'll do the next 2 weeks. Sorry, the next week, the 2 days, and then next Saturday I'll do the video again. So just a little book. Stay positive. Yes. All right, so Costco membership for 2027 now has 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so the date is January 31st. And what did I say? Excuse me. $5, $6, $7, $8. And the balance is $8. Alrighty, sorry about that. Just needed to have a sip of my soda. Alright. So Costco has $8 at the end of January. Vacation, which is folder number 2, received $1, and now it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we'll take that and we'll give it that so we can condense it. And this is $131, $15, and the balance is $15. So hopefully this is going to be a year-long savings and I don't have to dip into it 1 month in the books. Sneakers received $6 because it got the spicy. And now it has 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, $14. So we'll do it like that. So Sneakers has a balance of $14. $131. How's your Saturday going so far? I am doing my video. As I mentioned before, I have to do people's hair. I got 2 clients today. And then I don't know what I'm going to do after that. So let's see. Blessing has received 1. So now it has $1, 2, 3, 4, $5. And it's funny, well, it's still very early in the game, but last year Nori couldn't stop rolling a 4. 4 is my favorite number. So I was like, let me put Blessing in 4 so like that it could get the more money so I could bless somebody. And it's falling behind. Too funny. Alright, so number 5 is nails. And it has now, it received 1, but it had 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, well, that's the last 10 that I have over here. And I'll continue to condense as we go. $10, $10 for nails. And 6 for casino, got $1, $2, $3. And now in total it has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alrighty. $10. 1, 31, 10, 10. And as I mentioned, I'm not going to do every single week only because I don't want to keep printing this because then it's more ink. And yeah, I already know how that goes. Ink is expensive. I got to leave the ink to actually print challenges. So this should give me enough space for the whole year on just one card because I'm only gonna do it once a month. So yeah, you guys, that is Norella's Budgets Community Savings Challenge Dreams to Come True, where she rolls a dice, 5 dice, and that challenge gets 1 bill. And you could do 1 bill, you can do $2 bills, you can do 5, 10, 20, whatever fits your budget. However it is that you're saving, or like I'm doing, I'm having a spicy. Some weeks I'm not going to have spicy, and it'll literally just be 10 $1 bills. But when I can, I'm going to spice it up. So at the end of the year, we can have some moolah. All right, so that is that. And now let's get into our 2026 savings. And you already know I showed this last week. I'm not doing it, but it's just, you know, so it's pretty on the clear, you know, Brooklyn. Budgeting with Lisandra made that. I paid her. You can get your name customized on her Ko-fi. So if you like something like this, go check out her Ko-fi. Amiga is so talented. Okay, so let's play Shut the Fridge first. So like that, whatever's left over, then I know I could, you know, put it everywhere else, because we only have 2. Say hi, Freddie. Shut the Fridge from Mish Money. Amiga has 4 versions of Shut the Fridge on her Etsy, and we only have 2 more rounds to go. So hopefully it's not too spicy. I still don't know what I'm saving for, but I want to see if I can finish this, because it's obviously the end of the month. I need to do my end of the month video. So yeah, let's get into this. And we're gonna roll 2 dice, because there's 9 numbers. Wow, we're starting nice and high. So that's 11, 9, 10, 11. And that is 6. And that is 9. 8, 9, okay. And that is 7, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So far, so good. Should I go down 1 dice? Let's just see. I should have went down 6, 7, 8, 9. No. 5 and 4. So we're gonna do both of them, see if we could get a 3, because 2 and a 1 is possible. And then if not, my free roll, I'll do 1 dice. So let's see how that works out. Okay. So that didn't work out. And that didn't work out. Okay. So we're gonna save $3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so next one, last one. 4, 5, 6. And that's 8. And that's 8 again, right? 5, 6, 7, 8. So we'll do the 7 and the 1. And that's 5, 6. 4, 5, 6, right? 4, 5, 6. Ooh, we got a 9. Let's go. All right, so can we get 5, 6, 7, 8? Can we get an 8? So we could shut the fridge on the last one. Oh, that's only 4. Okay, so free roll. And that's 3. So we still got 1 more chance. 6, 7. All right, so that's 5. Okay, not too bad. $8. All right, so Let's see how much we have all together. 10, 20, 25, 26, 27. We saved $28 with Shut the Fridge by Mish Money. 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. So, this is not the last time you're going to see it because I'm going to wipe it clean and we'll bring it back for another round in a few weeks. Okay, so we saved $28. Whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop. Shut the Fridge. So this will add it to our end of the month totals. And let me just put the date. 1/31/26. And we saved $28. Yay. Okay, so now let's bring over here. We'll start with Kimmy's Corner. And you guys, yes, you guys can see this. Let's move this out of the way. We don't need the dice. I want to finish this too. Just bear with me, you guys. I'm grabbing my markers. Sorry for the reach. I got $5 in there. Let me find out. I was looking for you. Okay, so let's see. 2, 4, 6, 8. So let's put the $8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's put that in here. And then we can color. So let's do blue. And then let's do purple. I changed my mind because the purple would have been too close. And then let's do pinky. And I guess we could do the yellow. Alrighty, so we have finished the 2 in 2026. Kimmy's Corner. Each space is $2. It'll save us $110. Yay! Okay. Move that over, and then we're gonna go ahead and move on to my challenge that you can get free on my Ko-fi, and it's just saving either $2, $6, $20, $26, quarters, whatever it is that you like. I'm gonna do these 2 6s. And then next week we'll see, because the first paycheck of the month I usually have more money left over, so I'll try to bring in some more. Maybe we can bring in a 20 to do the 20, or maybe we'll do the 26. So that's $5, $10, $11, $12, and that's gonna go into my challenge, which is labeled here Brooklyn Now Save 2026, and there it is. We're not gonna count. I'm gonna try my best. Sometimes I might get antsy and want to count. Sometimes when I condense, you guys might just see how much it really is because it's not smaller bills. And last but not least, we're gonna go to my Amiga 9 Blossoms, the Savings Poet, and she also has a 2026 challenge that I'm doing. hers is gonna save us $400. No peeking at my other challenges, you guys. I don't know what I'm doing next. I haven't figured it all out. So 6, 7, 8. Let's finish this row. Oh, and now look at how much. Oh, well, not that much. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And maybe we'll do another 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do another 8, you guys. Alrighty. So 2 and 6 is 8. So, as I've mentioned before, all of this, $20. All of this, $60. And then going this way would be $40. So, if I wanted to bring bigger amounts of money, I can do that and just like do a whole row. But for right now, that is not what we're doing. So is that really it? I have a few dollars left over. Let's go back and finish that one page in Nori's, and then we'll be done for today. I think I did everything that I wanted to do, right? My 2026s, we finished, shut the fridge, and then, yeah, all of Nori's. Alright, so let's go back over here. And yay, we're gonna finish one, you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'll just save this for tomorrow's video. No need to be greedy. Cause spread the love to another challenge. So we've officially, whoop whoop, finished this one challenge. And we saved $32. And now we gotta figure out what's the next one. $131.26. Yay! So excited. So, and I'm probably gonna get a paper clip, so like that, and then condense this to a 20 and then a 30 and then just 2. Okay, so 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, $32. Yay! Whoop whoop. We finished it. Whoop whoop. For right now, it's gonna stay in the book. I haven't decided when I'm gonna take it to the bank just yet. Excuse me. So yeah, let's look at what we're gonna start next. I kind of want to leave some of these for like a catch-all for when I get more serious. So let's see, because those are dollars, you know, you always get like $1 left over. Maybe we could do the 40. Oh, let's start this one, 280. Yeah, so we'll probably do a low and then a high, a low and then a high. Or maybe we could do this one. Yeah, let's do the $5 ones. All right, you dry, please be dry. Okay, seems pretty dry. All right, so you guys remind me, or let me see, do I have? Let me see, because that's the only way. Or maybe, how about this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, look at this. All right, I'm playing myself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're gonna start this one. Let's do the blue. Yeah, blue. Yeah. I don't know if the Sharpie is good for this lamination, but we'll see. Okay. So at least this way I know that this is the one we're doing right now. Let me just dab it a little bit. Now you see my fingerprint. One, two, three, four, five. Yay! We're starting a new one. Okay. Yay! All right, you guys. So that's it. Thank you for sticking with me. I'm just like, I don't know. Nah, I don't know. Anyway, thank you. I appreciate you. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know in the chat how's your Saturday going. What plans do you have for the day? And I will catch you in the video tomorrow. We're gonna do Survivor and some games. So, bye.